All in good time, I swear we will be rid of sorrow. The same thing that I say today, I would say again tomorrow. You're the limelight of my entire existence. My presence on this plane depends on you. When I first met you, you introduced a guideline, a shrine that I could look upon and revise my pride. The freedom that you granted, it offered me potential to see the things that so long kept me blind. To hear your voice, it echoes, it resonates through song, illuminating darkness like the fire in your soul. And I feel with your whisper, you're genuine and gentle, and treat me with the loving law of peace. You're not one for conflict, and you're not one for tears. You're made of more than those who try to viciously provoke. Poetry is written and mysteries discovered, and all I have to do is hold you close. The abyss of pain is smeared, the grass has become greener, and I have become immune to people frowning to my face. Smiles are all that I see, regardless of their anger, for hidden men are more naked than most. You have made me realize that secrets can be shared. Doors have opened and elegance flows in. Adulthood has welcomed me upon the back of ambition. Naivety cannot sugarcoat my world. And I wonder when I lie in bed in this new euphoria, am I to be tricked for some cruel things that I have done? My doubts about my beliefs are quickly put to ease, and you remind me of the man I have become. Ah, baby, you have changed me, you envision all the outcomes. You are the difference between what could have and what is. And girl, I hope you realize you've influenced my passion, revitalized my reason to simply be.